What's up, Mr. Crazy 1870. So here we have the braided solo loop with that blue aluminum 44 series 6. Let me give you guys a quick little close-up look. Now it sort of looks a little bit more like on the navy side, dark blue, but nonetheless I still think it looks pretty dope. Now out of all the new series 6 lineup, I think the ones that caught my attention was the product red and this blue one right here. I think they both look pretty dope. So this one right here is the SE. Nothing major other than that solo loop right there. Now this is the non-braided version. Go ahead and throw this on. So I really do like the braided version solo loop. I think it feels really comfortable in the wrists. Although I did messed up, check it out, with the size. So quick tip, if you use Apple's little paper ruler, if you get an 8, go one number below. I had a 12, I was supposed to go 11, but I messed up and went with the exact number, which I think if I would have gotten an 11, it would have been on point. So as far as to remove these, very easy and simple. You pretty much just stretch out and they come right off. This one here is the SE. Sort of mimics a little bit like the sports band, but the only difference is that you don't have a little clip attachment here. So again, it is a little bit easier, well, a lot easier to slip on and slip off. And another thing that I really did notice with this braided solo loop, let me show you guys right here right now real quick. Is that it does come with sort of like that aluminum, sort of like metal guard right there, which obviously goes into the rail of the watch, and then you pretty much put in place and you should be ready to rock and roll. But nonetheless, I like it. Once again, it's a little bit on the darker side. Another difference that I've seen is that it does come with this little blue sleeve. The red one comes with the red sleeve. Not a big deal, but I think that was a pretty nice touch on the packaging side of things. But let me know what you guys think of this blue color. Once again, my two favorite ones is the red and this blue one. I think it looks really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Now if you picked up a series 6, let me know what color did you get or what color do you like. I have the SE right here, 44 series 6 right here. I will have my full videos on both of these pretty soon. I wish I could get it done today, but I'm not going to be able to. I gotta get things ready to go to work tomorrow, but I will have them soon. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to check out the two latest videos. Check out the site looneytechtv.com, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.